We've got some basic shapes in place here. Primary anatomy is always the #1 goal. Initially, are these well shaped and symmetrical? Yeah, we feel really good about that, but it's time now to add some naturality. Naturality doesn't have to be how white or dark something is. Sometimes naturality can lean more into texture. So today we're just grabbing a piece of articulating paper and we're just gonna smudge this onto the facial planes of the anterior 6 or maybe even 8 teeth. What this is gonna do is it's gonna give us like a basis from which we can use to start adding texture, and we can mark where that texture belongs. To add the anatomy that we're looking for, we're going to look to see where the line angles are. That's where the articulating paper didn't enter into the embrasure there. And just on the other side of that, we're going to take our large rugby burr and we're going to use this at about 2,000 to 5,000 RPM to emphasize that line angle and to cause a little bit of an indentation there in the tooth. That's going to give us this textured look. And then all I'm going to do is push that towards the middle and ever so slightly roll that over the incisal edge without nicking it. And that is going to give us two beautiful depressions on the central incisor. But there's our two line angles there. We are 6.07. And on these two line angles, we are 6.47. So very, very similar. If I wanted to get those exactly the same, I would simply take my handpiece and just kind of gently drag that line angle out just a tad further. And now we've added an additional 2/10 to each side, maybe. Two nice crisp line angles. We're at 6.56 now. 6.55. So within 1/100 of a millimeter now, those two are equal to each other.